Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a hair serum. So this is probably my second one in years. I purchased a hair serum I guess about 5-6 years back, and post that I have never purchased one. So this time when my hair was completely tangled and frizzy and dry, I thought to purchase a serum. So I purchased L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, which was launched recently in India, and lot of YouTubers and bloggers were raving about this serum, so I thought to why not give it a try. I have been trying it for a couple of weeks now, and I can't wait to tell you what were my observations on this product. So without any further ado, let's get started. This serum retails for 499 rupees for 100 ml of bottle, which is quite a lot of quantity for the price it comes with. The best part, too much affordable, very much affordable for everyone. Now let me show you the packaging of this product. It comes in a sturdy glass bottle like this. This is a glass bottle with a plastic cap on top, and it has got a pump, which is again a very good part, that you don't have to pour serum and then spill it all over your hands and all. It has a pump, so obviously you can control the quantity. Any makeup product or any liquid product that comes with a pump always attracts me, because I feel that has to be there. You should be able to control the quantity of the product that you want to pour into your hand. Now let me show you the texture of this product. I'm going to pour a little bit here, and I'll show you how this looks. You can see it's very non-sticky and it's not oily and all. It's like it'll just give the required amount of hydration to your hair, and it's not very greasy and oily kind of thing. I cannot feel, even if it's on my skin right now, I cannot feel greasy or oily kind of thing. And it's I won't say it's gel like, but it's something which is not oily and which is not gel, so it's somewhere between that. If you have long hair like mine, then maybe 4 pumps or 3 pumps would suffice for adding the required hydration or the serum to enact properly on your hair. Now how do you use this serum? So you can always use this serum before washing your hair to substitute the conditioner thing, but that's again very much optional. Lot of us won't do that, but if you want, you can try it, and after you wash it, your hair would be silky smooth and very soft. And second one, you can always use it after wash. I do it like that. I don't use this serum before washing, because I have a lot of oils that I use before washing my hair, so I don't use a serum on top of that, which is not required, I feel. So you can use this serum after you wash your hair for detangling your hair properly, so that the brush it just glides in your hair without tangling and without that frizzy thing. Third one, you can use this serum as a heat protectant. When you straighten your hair and if you're blow drying your hair, serum is absolutely necessary. A serum which would give you that the required amount of heat protection, and would prevent your hair from breakage and split ends and all. So serum is absolutely mandatory if you're someone who is straightening and blow drying your hair. I have recently purchased a straightener from Philips. I have never used a straightener in my life, so I am pretty new to using a straightener. So now whenever I straighten my hair, I always use this serum to add that protection to my hair. Now fourth point, you can use this every day when you find your hair frizzy and dry, and we all have that problem of baby hair coming out from here and there, and now you can see my hair is completely smooth and there is no baby hair popping out as such. but we always have that baby hairs coming out here and there, and it looks kind of messy. So to avoid that, you can always use a serum. My hair gets tangled very easily, so I kind of use this serum almost every day when I detangle my hair, when I brush my hair in the morning. It helps my hair to stay frizz free the entire day, and also helps my detangling process. It makes it easier, and believe me when I say it, I have the most tangled hair, and my hair gets tangled so easily. It's a mess. It's a mess every day when I think of detangling my hair. This helps me in that immensely. And you know, I used this serum today after washing my hair, before straightening my hair as a heat protectant, and even post straightening, just to give that smooth silky look to my hair. And you can see I have probably used about 20 pumps of the serum on my hair today, but you can see how it looks. It's silky smooth, and you cannot find it oily and all. Even after using so much of product, my hair does not look oily, and I love to use this every day just to simplify my detangling process. If you're someone who has an oily scalp, I wouldn't recommend you to use this serum on your scalp, because someone with an oily scalp would always have to avoid any kind of sticky serums or sticky liquids, even oil for that matter. You have to avoid it from your scalp for making it more oily, because if you have oily scalp, in one day you use a serum or not, your scalp is gonna get oily in like one day. I know that experience. I have been there, done that. So I would recommend you just avoid the serum from your scalp and apply it on your hair. Use it on your hair every day. I'm sure you're gonna love this, because the way I have fallen in love with this one. And when I use this serum in the morning before detangling my hair, the frizz-free thing that comes when you use a serum, it lasts for the entire day, about 8 to 10 hours. I must say that my hair stays put. It doesn't, the baby hair doesn't start popping up here and there, and it looks silky smooth and shiny, and that's what I love about that. The serum has added a great amount of shine to my hair, which I love, and I totally love how soft I feel my hair has gotten after using this. And last part, if you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna repurchase it, yes, I'm gonna repurchase it. Once this bottle is over, I'm gonna get back with the second one for sure, because I absolutely love this one. So yeah, that was my short review on L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.